Good morning, guys. It is one of those very windy days here in Wyoming. It shouldn't be called wonderful Wyoming, it should be windy Wyoming. We normally are between 20 and 30 miles an hour. Today we're gusting in the mid 50s. I do have a couple casualties outside with my Christmas decor. I won't be fixing those today because they won't stay up. My pot, let me show you. Let me just turn you around and show you. So those two pots, those little trees have fallen out. One of them's still hanging on over there. They're halfway filled with rocks. So I can't really push that little wire tree too far down. I need like weights to stick over them. And then I think that would be the answer to my tree falling problem. But anyway, yeah, you can see our snow is melting and it's super windy. But we are headed to Menards to see if we can find some of those handles that I was talking about in yesterday's video. And I'll take you along if there's not too many people.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today?
Alright, so we are over in the door hardware, I guess, is where we're at. And we found some that meat. Let me show you. See, they have the holes up on top, and they come with the screws. Yes. So that would work for my cutting boards. So now, do I go silver or black? Alright, we are back from Menards, and I settled on the stainless steel. I think it's very universal. I think they'll all like this finish, and you can clean it easily too. And we're just going to screw it just like that. I think that is going to be so, so cute. And while we were there, I happened to see this, and it's like a little sanding block thing. It's called Fast Break. Break the edge in just one pass. This is what it does. You can just put it over like your shelves and it takes that edge off. So I am going to try this on my cutting boards on that edge and see how that works. Super, super cool. And we also got the refill packs with the different grits. Look how cute. Remember those little toboggans that I showed you yesterday? He loves it. MJ. Hi, MJ! Whee! He's coming back in his little red convertible. He's so cute. Okay, don't be alarmed. He's still being pulled. I don't know, it's been 30 minutes. I think we found a new toy. Unfortunately, it's on our power, but he's just having the best time. Anyway, I popped on to show you how this little tool works. And here's my little cutting boards. And I hold it up like that, and then just pull it down. And that just knocks those corners off really nice. So I'm gonna do the rest of these, and then I think we're gonna be ready to add the handles up on top.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
All right, I'm just picking out a drill bit for my handles, and I brought one of the screws out with me, and I'm just going to hold the drill bit that I think I need over that, and if it covers the shank, that's the size that I want. You don't want to be too big so your threads are covered too, just the size of your shank. Okay, I'm just going to use some painter's tape and put a little stop on it so I know how far to go into the wood. Whoop. It's sticky. All right, fingers, work.
Keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we could stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while,
The aftermath of having my children over for Sunday dinner. Normally I cook, but I can't get my Walmart grocery pickup until tomorrow, and I didn't feel like going into a store. So this is what we ended up with, and there's even not very much potato candy left. Okay, I am up to the fun part now, and that is putting some wood oil or mineral oil, whichever, like butcher block oil. That's the oil that I'm using. I'm just going to apply this to all the boards. I have one done, and it really brought out the richness and the grain. So pretty. So we're gonna work on the rest next.
last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together.
I am pretty much done with these cutting boards. I absolutely love how they turned out, and I hope my family does too. I know that they will. There's one more thing I think we want to do to it. You know, I had showed you guys that router tool that we're going to do like the big initial or whatever in. That takes some doing to hook it up. So I'm not sure if we're even going to get that far before Christmas. But this morning when we were at Menards, I did see like an alphabet burn thing that goes on your like burning stuff. I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, I think we might try that and do like a small little initial in the corner and just kind of torch that into the wood, and we'll see how that works. A couple of these are for my kids, so we're gonna test on theirs first before we do like the really nice ones. But if you wanted to add to this as a gift, you could use this as a tray, and you could put like some Pepperidge Farm cheese or sausage and crackers, something on it, like in their packaging, and just kind of wrap it up, put a big bow on it, and that would be such a cute gift. If you're going to family members for Christmas, this would also make a great hostess gift too. So just a few ideas for you guys. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me again, going shopping at Menards. There was hardly anybody in that store, which was very surprising. We were very thankful though. All right, guys, you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Celebrate. Yes, every time the